Hi, welcome to my grow rack. It's empty right now and the lights are off. I had a lot of aphids and so I'm cleaning house. The best way for me to get pest free is really to just clean house. There's no real ecosystem. It's a totally controlled environment. I planted out as much as I could into my garden now that it's warm enough. I have a tray of plants going to my sister. I'm gifting her some plants, and then all the microgreen trays had to get trashed. So starting over, I'm actually taking this time to adjust and level my racks. It's something I really needed to do. And I wiped everything down with hydrogen peroxide. I will continue to do that. I have tons and tons of bags of trash that we're on a holiday weekend, so the trash is a day behind. It's all going out today, and then I will scour the floors, the tools, the tables, the trays, all of that. So that's this week's plan. And then we're gonna start fresh, bring in new seeds and get it up and running again. So I got this light, what am I saying? I got this fly trap that plugs in. Let me see if you can see. Can you see all the flies on there? Is that gross? So many flies. So I'm keeping all the lights off down here. I turned off the dehumidifier because it had its own light. Let's see if I can get this in. Okay, so that is really working. That's working. I turned this off because it makes a light. It has like a light feature in it. Otherwise I'd be clearing out the air with my dehumidifier still going. Yeah. It seems like a setback. I mean, it is a setback, but I'm not worried because I'm actually in a really big like growth plan strategy with my work here. I have new products coming out that I will be listing online on my own site and also on Etsy. So there's some stuff going on. Okay, so I wanted to show you how I am setting up to sell my dried flowers. I have medicinal flowers. These are edible violas dried. And so I set up like a couple shelves over here, my little apothecary area that I started. And we're going to be doing DIY kits. So I want to show you this. This is so cute. So you're going to get a pouch of lavender. You'll get a pouch of calendula. And these are organic, medicinal, safe starter herbs. Medicinal flowers to start. You'll get these tins. These are 2-ounce tins that you'll get. And you will get this, how cute is this sack of beeswax pellets. So you have these little sack of beeswax. You get your flowers. You'll get instructions on how to make this DIY healing balm kit. So all you have to do is add your own oil, whether you want to use olive oil, jojoba oil, whatever you have on hand. And you will take your flower buds, put it in the oil, let it sit for a couple weeks, and then you'll strain it out. And in like a double boiler, which could be like a stainless steel bowl over a pot, you'll put your beeswax, you'll put your oil, it'll melt down. It happens so fast. It's so easy. You're going to love this so much. And then you pour it in your tins. So there'll be plenty. I think you're going to be getting 3 tins. You'll be getting enough beeswax for like 3 or 4 tins and plenty of flowers. You'll have flowers left over. You'll have supplies left over, but this is such a good start. how overwhelming is it to want to start something like this and you've never done it before, and you have to gather all these different random materials, and each one is like another $12 purchase or another $16 purchase, and it feels like this big investment. And I don't know, I'm super ADHD. I don't know if any of y'all out there get overwhelmed with stuff like that, but it's like that task initiation barrier that you just like never start because it's so overwhelming. So this takes all of that scary stuff out for you. Okay, I gathered everything for you. You have the instructions. It's a simple project to start with, and it'll really build your confidence and your familiarity with everything that you're working with, and you'll be like, oh, I can do this. And you know, it'll just be a starting point for you. How exciting. I love that. I love that for you. And I love my setup. It's definitely very basic. I know it's very basic, but I just gathered some materials that I already had. This is my indigo powder, because moving forward, I'm so super duper excited. I'm going to be selling indigo dyed item. Coming in the fall, late summer fall, I'll be selling indigo dyed yarn and cord and fabric for projects. So there's so much going on. I'm really feeling inspired and hopeful, and look at this cute little start, right? It's just like, I got these at the dollar store. Okay, they're glass jars, stainless steel. The dollar store is small steps for me. I am so a small step girl.